Have you ever heard someone say, "Let's go inside to get some fresh air"? Probably not, and it's for good reason. On average, we spend 90% of our time indoors. But according to the EPA, indoor air is often 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. In fact, many of the buildings we occupy could have poor indoor air quality without us ever knowing. Hidden pollutants, off-gassing from chemicals or furniture, and even people are just a few of the sources that degrade indoor air quality. So it's no wonder we go outside for fresh air. Outdoors, naturally occurring ions are everywhere, and they are continuously working to help clean the air. Ions are created with energy from rushing water, crashing waves, and even sunlight. However, the concentration of these naturally occurring ions is much lower indoors, where particles are often suspended in the air. These particles can include dust, dander, smoke, and even viruses and bacteria. There's good news for those who desire to improve indoor air quality, though, thanks to ionization. Our patented needlepoint bipolar ionization technology introduces ions into the airstream using the airflow in your existing HVAC system as the delivery method. Ionization can be used in conjunction with ventilation and filtration to further reduce particles and help clean the air in indoor spaces. When ions disperse throughout a space, such as an office or a schoolroom, they combine with particles suspended in the air. This creates a snowball effect in which particles of opposite polarity begin to cluster together. As these larger clusters pass back through the HVAC return, they're easier to capture in the filtration system. Our technology is also effective at reducing certain viruses and bacteria. Tests in third-party laboratories have demonstrated that certain viruses and bacteria are substantially reduced when they come in contact with ions. Other common indoor air pollutants include VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. There are hundreds of types of VOCs that are created by common household items, such as cleaning chemicals. Ionization can also be effective at reducing certain VOCs and odors, like those lingering around nearby trash. You can also feel confident knowing that our ionization technology will not introduce harmful levels of ozone into the air you breathe. Today, our technology is trusted to help clean the air in hundreds of thousands of installations, including offices, schools, airports, healthcare facilities, and other community spaces around the world.